Yo, what is up, guys? Serge here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually make passive income with affiliate marketing. So before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. Before we get started, I'm gonna answer this question. What is affiliate marketing? If you guys do not know what is affiliate marketing, it's basically just promoting other people's products. So let's say you guys want to promote an iPhone and you guys want to get a commission off that iPhone, like the new one that's coming out that you guys want to promote or thinking of promoting. The next thing that you guys gotta do is put a specific link that's connected to you. When someone clicks on that link that's connected to you, you will get a commission when they purchase that new iPhone. It's pretty simple, just what it is, affiliate marketing. So now the exciting part, how you guys can actually make passive income using this method, affiliate marketing. Starting with affiliate marketing, it is pretty simple to actually get started with it. People overthink it. People think, it's too much, I'm not gonna be able to do it, or it's too saturated, a lot of people like to call it. Affiliate marketing is not going anywhere. A lot of companies need people like yourself, like ordinary people, to actually promote their products, and it's cheaper than buying actual ad. It's never gonna go saturated because there's many niches to actually get started. So that's my step one, is to actually pick a niche. You guys could go broad, you guys could specific down, you guys could do any type of niche that you guys want. Let's say you want to do something with tech. You guys want to do nothing but phones or nothing but mic, computers, laptops, speakers. You're actually niching down, okay? Less competitive to do that. You guys could do a specific niche that you guys want to actually do, like kind of tech you guys want to start off with. Speakers, cool. So yeah, that's the first step that you guys actually want to do, is pick a niche that you guys actually love to do. You guys will not get bored, because I say that because a lot of people, once they start affiliate marketing and they want to just stop doing it, it's because they get bored of it or they don't want to continue because it's not making them money. The next thing that you guys actually want to do is actually pick an affiliate program. My suggestion is to actually start off with Amazon Associates, because Amazon, you guys could promote anything. Yes, the commissions are lower, but Amazon Associates is the best way for beginners to actually help you guys get started with this. You guys could promote anything. You guys could promote mics. You guys could promote cameras, iPhone, TVs, kitchen stuff, whatever you guys could think of, they have it, and you guys could start promoting it. Okay, Amazon Associates or eBay, whichever ones you guys want to choose. But my suggestion is Amazon Associates. When you guys apply for it, it's easy to apply. All you gotta do is go to Amazon, go all the way down to where this says affiliated program, and just click on it, and all you gotta do is sign up. So step number 3 is actually picking a place that you guys want to actually start promoting products. You guys could use social media, YouTube, blogging, but like I said, I do want you guys to do this passively. Truly passive income is when you work something in the beginning, but that hard work that you put in the beginning, you will actually see it in the long run. Okay, let's say you make a YouTube video that you did 2 years, and that video is still making you money, because it could be with YouTube AdSense, it could be affiliate marketing, it could be building your own products, whatever. That piece of content is still making you passive income when you just created it one time. So that's what I mean by building affiliate marketing passively. There is no such thing as actually making money without doing nothing. You actually have to start doing something first, then making money on the long run. Okay, what you want to do is actually start making money in the long run. You don't want to just make money one time and that's it. No, passively. And that's what affiliate marketing is. You guys can make money with YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, so any social media platform, blogging. That's what I mean by you actually making passive income with affiliate marketing. So step number 3 is actually just pick a social media platform. It could be YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blogging, whatever you guys want to actually think of, and start focusing, creating content for that platform. And then you guys could repurpose that content to other platforms, but know one social media in the back of your hand, because that is the place that you guys want to be focusing more on, and then just repurpose your content in other platforms. That's what you guys want to do. You don't want to focus on multiple social media platforms, like their algorithms and stuff, because you gonna get frustrated. It's gonna be more work for you. So focus on one social media platform, and then the rest just repurpose it. Learn the algorithm, learn how this social media platform works, and all you gotta do to see progress is stay consistent with posting content on that social media platform. And after you actually start posting content, what you want to do is just repurpose it, promote it, talk about it, repurpose it to different social media platforms. Let's say you do YouTube video, cut that YouTube video into short pieces of content and post it on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, whatsoever. That's how you guys can actually start promoting it. Sharing your content. If you guys stay consistent, you guys will actually start seeing a lot of progress within you. Step number 5 is actually just start promoting your content. For example, let's say you do a YouTube video. What you guys want to do is actually create short pieces of content and repurpose that content to TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and you guys will actually see a lot of more views like that just by posting your content in other platforms. Let's say your video is 15 minutes long. You guys could literally have a whole week of TikTok content within just posting that YouTube video, and just keep posting parts of your video into TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts to get eyes up there. All right, that's what you guys want. You guys need exposure to get sales. So what you guys need to do is just promote your content, and that's it. So that's what I mean by you actually repurposing your content. Like with TikTok, if you do TikTok, you guys want to repurpose that in YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Pinterest, whatever you guys want to be doing. You guys can actually just repurpose them so you guys can actually get more views to your content, to the one that you guys want to actually do, and promote that product. All right, so you guys could start seeing sales. And that's pretty much how you guys can actually make this a passive income strategy. But before I go, I'm actually going to give you guys a simple tip to actually start maximizing your affiliate income just by adding this easy step. So what you guys want to do to actually maximize your potential with affiliate marketing is collect an email. Okay, that is truly a success for affiliate marketing. Let's say you guys just don't want to promote that one product, but you guys want to promote multiple products in the email. That's where you actually start promoting other products. What you guys want to do is actually collect an email to see the actual real potential with affiliate marketing. So all you got to do is collect one piece of information, and that's an email, and create an email so you guys can send that to your email list. So that's what you guys want to actually do to maximize your potential with affiliate marketing. And a lot of people don't tell you this, but the email is the key to your affiliate marketing success. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked the video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload my next video. And yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.